But we're going to click on more and then click on paper trade. And this is going to bring us to the sandbox environment where we have $1 million of fake paper money to deploy. I always recommend testing out paper trading whenever you have the option to do so, because A, you're not risking real money, and B, it can allow you to familiarize yourself with the app before you're putting real money on the line, because you'd be surprised how often people are losing money just by executing a trade improperly because they don't understand what it is that they're doing. So I would always recommend testing this out first. And you can paper trade the US markets, you can paper trade the crypto market, Hong Kong, and you could also see there's paper trading competitions among people who are trying to place the best paper trades. But let's go ahead and deploy this fake $1 million, and then we'll check back at the end of the video and see how we did. So if we click here on paper trade, it's going to bring us trending stocks that people are actively trading. Since we've been using Walmart throughout the day here as our example, we'll just go ahead and search for Walmart. And then we will see that listed here at the very top. If we select that, we can see the current share price. And we are going to invest all of this money, the full $1 million of fake money, into Walmart at the current market price and just see what happens for fun. Obviously, you would never want to put a ton of money into one stock like that, but this is just for demo purposes. We're going to get into more details about the trading view here later on, but for now, we're just going to place the trade. So the session right here mentions regular trading hours plus pre and post market. Since the market's currently open, this should fill immediately. We're going to make it a market order. That way we just pay the current market price. And I'm just going to put as many as we can here to get roughly the amount that we're looking to buy. So let's try like somewhere around 8,000 or so. I'll try to get as close to the amount that we can put in here. So if we buy 8,750 shares of Walmart, it's going to cost us $997,412. So let's go ahead and do it. We're going to click here on the buy button. And just like that, we put in a paper trade order here for 8,750 shares of Walmart. And now it's going to update in real time based on the market performance of whatever we just purchased. So we'll check back on this in a little bit. And if we click here on filled or canceled, it's going to show us that the order here was filled for Walmart. And we can click on that. Or actually, it doesn't let you click on it, but you can see here where your order has gone through. And if we click on the back button and click on back once again, it's going to show us that, well, we've already lost a little bit of money here with our big investment, but it's going to be because the market price for anything is going to be fluctuating every couple of seconds here in the app. So you can't really look at things on that short of a time horizon. And if you're curious about your paper trading portfolio, you just click on the portfolio button here on the right, and then it's going to show you what your positions are, the current market value, and everything like that. So right now we have $996,000 worth of Walmart stock, and we can see our current P&L listed there. So let's check back on this towards the end of the video and see what has happened.